Tired of running across the house or even across town just to help someone with their computer problems? Today we're diving deep into how you can remotely control another computer using the power of Google Chrome. First, we'll be using Chrome Remote Desktop, a free and easy task extension provided by Google. Make sure Chrome is installed on both the computer you're using and the computer you want to control. Open the Chrome Web Store on both devices in the search bar. Type in Chrome Remote Desktop and hit Enter. Locate the Chrome Remote Desktop extension and click on the Add to Chrome button. Once installed, you should see the Chrome Remote Desktop icon in your Chrome toolbar. Click on it. On the computer you want to control the host computer, under Remote Access, click the blue Download button. This will download and guide you through the Chrome Remote Desktop installer. Follow the on-screen instructions, which will involve granting permissions and setting a secure PIN. This PIN is crucial, so remember it. Now, on the computer you're using to control remotely, open Chrome Remote Desktop. Again, you should see the name of the other computer listed. Click on it. Enter the PIN you created earlier and click Connect. And just like that, you have remote access. You can now control the other computer as if you were sitting right in front of it. Troubleshoot issues, transfer files, and collaborate seamlessly. Remote access made easy thanks to Chrome Remote Desktop.